Hey guys, Len here. I haven't been putting up any videos the last 6 something weeks because I've sprained my ankle really bad. That one, left one, really bad. Apparently there was chronic ligament damage and separated bones and all that, but anyway, before I hurt that I started on these. These are a Brazeal style tong, multi-purpose tong, and I really love the design of them. So I contacted Brian, he's in Africa at the moment, and he's helped me so much. He's a good bloke. He sent me pictures and everything. I stuffed that one up a bit. This one here, I forged this down to fine. They should remain thick like that, so I'll have to do a little bit of welding, but that's okay. So that's the end of that one. He makes these ends a lot smaller, like little small fellas, because he does this tong, forges it from smaller stock. This stuff I did from, well, this one too, from 16mm round. So that's the large end, as you can see, and there's the other end, and I had trouble trying to get them to come together. But anyway, this stuff will hold round, that's about 16mm round. It'll hold that really nice. It'll hold this little bit of round stock if I can get it. It'll hold that. That's about 12mm, I suppose. So it holds that quite good. Good clamping capacity. And it will hold square. So I've got an old railway spike here. And it will hold that too. So it will hold that. I left the marks of the cross peen on that. I thought it looks nice, original. So that holds that quite nice. So that's those tongs. Today I'm going to be working on making a hardy, I don't know what you call them, little bit of chunk of square like that. Going to cut it off there, and then this will be the part that goes in the hardy hole for working over, to get your material up over the off the anvil. I don't know what they call them, hardy post vice or something, I don't know. When I post it, people can let me know. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Okay guys, I've got to go and get some gas, so I'll catch you later. Len's signing off. Bye for now.